Past tense, irregular verbs, part 1. Listen and repeat. What did you do yesterday? I ate breakfast in bed. I ate breakfast in bed. Eat, ate. What did you do yesterday? I bought some chips. I bought some chips. Buy, bought. What did you do yesterday? I drank beer with my friends. I drank beer with my friends. Drink, drank. What did you do yesterday? I drove to my friend's house. I drove to my friend's house. Drive, drove. What did you do yesterday? I fed my chickens and ducks. I fed my chickens and ducks. Feed, fed. What did you do yesterday? I rode my bike with my wife. I rode my bike with my wife. Ride, rode. What did you do yesterday? I ran in a marathon. I ran in a marathon. Run, ran. What did you do yesterday? I swam 1,000 meters. I swam 1,000 meters. Swim, swam. Now let's review. Listen and repeat. Eat, ate. Buy, bought. Drink, drank. Drive, drove. Feed, fed. Ride, rode. Run, ran. Swim, swam. Do you remember the verbs? Let's see. What did she do yesterday? And the answer is, she ate breakfast in bed. What did she do yesterday? And the answer is, she bought some chips. What did he do yesterday? The answer is, he drank beer with his friends. What did she do yesterday? And the answer is, she drove to her friend's house. What did she do yesterday? And the answer is, she fed her chickens and ducks. What did he do yesterday? And the answer is, he rode his bike with his wife. What did she do yesterday? And the answer is, she ran in a marathon. What did he do yesterday? And the answer is, he swam 1,000 meters. Great work! Keep practicing! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.